Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. I'm going to teach you how to play Southern Star by Brent Cobb. Let's take a listen. Under the Southern Star. All right. Okay, this is a country song. We get to do country songs once in a while. Mostly I do rock and roll stuff, I guess, pop stuff, but it's neat to do country also as well. Got a lot of that on the website. And this one has sort of an old sound, Wurlitzer piano type sound on the keyboard. I don't know if that's exactly what it is, but it's going to be fun to play that in this style. But I teach a different way. I don't use traditional music notation. I use letters on a whiteboard. I use dashes and curved lines. And as you can see here on the board, a lot of you who are used to my way of teaching, you just jump right in. But if you've never seen it before, it's just a way to learn music that's different than traditional music lessons. And it works for a lot of people who have struggled with that traditional type lesson. Nothing wrong with those type of lessons, but if you need a different way, my way might work for you. Give it a try. So I've been doing this for 30 years. So it works for a lot of people. Last 17 years, I've done it exclusively online. And if you're a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this. But let's do the free part one we do here for YouTube. And I do have a neat Kawai MP11 SE sound on here that approximates what we're doing in the song. So that's kind of neat to use. It works on piano as well. So either way, we're going to start with the left hand like that. And what the player's doing, I think on DGB, you see the little hooks on there on D and B? They kind of slide, do that. So you can do that. It's kind of hard, and I don't want to keep you from learning the whole song if you can't do that one little move, because the rest of it is not that hard. But if you want to try it, I'm doing C sharp to D, and I'm sliding off the thumb, and then I'm going 4 to 5 on the B, and getting a little blues sound. And then this left hand goes da 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 da. So after I play that DGB, I go C E A with 1 2 5 and B D G with 1 2 5. Down down down. Okay, and then so here I go C E G in the right with 1 2 4, left hand on an A. And then C, E, G, B in the right, dun, 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 back to C, E, G, 1, and. And then on the left hand, the bass is just, the rhythm of the song is kind of dun, dun, just kind of a quarter note sound, so I'm going to go. So the piano player, the keyboard player, is not doing a quarter note bass, but I'm going to do that just to capture the sound of the song. And if you're not ready to do that, you can just play an A and hold it. That'll work, but if you're a little more advanced, you can. Okay, so third measure there, we'll play the A again. Right hand does D, G, B, and then C and E, and then C, E, G, bum, 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 1 and 2 and. So if I start over at the beginning and go that far, I go 1. All right, and in the fourth measure, we have B, D, A with 1 2 5 to B, D, B with 1 2 5, dun, dun. And then in the fifth measure, I have that little thing we did at the very beginning. You slide off. You don't have to do the slide at all. You can just go. But if you can blues it, it sounds cool. So the last thing is D, A to G. Bump, bump. And the little staccato there. I'll play the G short. Bump, bump, bump. So the curved lines kind of help me rhythmically. Some of you I know don't even look at that. You just kind of watch me for the rhythm. So that's what the curved lines are for. So if I have a curved line that kind of is in front of a chord, it's syncopated. 1, da, 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 and da, bum, 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 bum. So it's kind of off the beat. And if I have it, between two chords, they're just probably eighth notes, dun dun, okay? So it's not an exact science, but it kind of helps me on the rhythm to teach it to you. So very beginning, and 1. Okay, so there's our intro there. So that'll do it for the part 1 on YouTube. We'll finish on the website. You can also download the sheets for this and thousands of other lessons that I've done on the website as well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Talk to you later.